What if I told you that right now, in your kitchen, you have everything you need to feel 20 years younger? No expensive supplements, no doctor visits. I've helped thousands of men reclaim their vitality using nature's pharmacy. Today, I'm sharing a recipe that's been quietly passed down through generations, a tonic so powerful. I want to know who's ready to feel amazing again. And if you're serious about natural health, hit that subscribe button now, because what I'm about to share could change everything. Yet so simple that you'll wonder why nobody told you about it sooner. Just 5 simple ingredients that, when combined correctly, can reignite your energy, sharpen your mind, and yes, even bring back that spark in your relationship. Or miss the secret that makes it actually work. So stick with me, because in the next few minutes, you'll discover not just what to mix, but exactly how to unlock its full potential. Worse, but with ingredients that have been powering human vitality for thousands of years. It's probably sitting in your kitchen right now, completely underestimated. They literally help rebuild your circulation system from the inside out. I'm Dr. William Harris, and for over 30 years, and this is crucial, use the edge of a spoon to scrape off the skin. Why a spoon? The thinner you slice, the more surface area you expose, which means more healing compounds in your drink. As you're slicing, take a deep breath, that sharp, spicy aroma. That's your body's circulation already starting to wake up. Because it preserves more of those precious oils that knives tend to waste. But here's the thing, most people get this recipe wrong. They use the wrong proportions, skip crucial steps. In studies, this compound has been shown to kickstart sluggish metabolisms and even improve mood within minutes. Quick question, drop your age in the comments below. After 60, things change, you wake up tired. That afternoon energy crash hits harder, and those intimate moments with your partner, they might feel like distant memories. This juice isn't just for flavor, it's going to create a chemical reaction with our other ingredients that multiplies their effectiveness. But not just any ginger, I'm talking about the real deal, the knobby, aromatic root that's about to become your daily lifesaver. Wash it thoroughly, then use a microplane or fine grater to remove just the yellow layer. As you grate, those oils will release an aroma that's already beginning to wake up your senses. Set this aside, we'll use it soon. Stop the moment you see white, that's where bitterness lives. The problem, nobody talks about, they're playing hide and seek. Let's be honest. Here's what's really happening inside your body. Your circulation slows down. Your metabolism takes a nosedive, and those feel-good hormones. But what if I told you that a simple morning ritual could flip the switch back on? Not with chemicals or pills that leave you feeling. The recipe I'm about to share isn't just another health drink. It's a biological reset button, and the first ingredient, the star ingredient, fresh ginger. Let me introduce you to your new best friend, fresh ginger root. Here's what most people do and know. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols that act like tiny construction workers in your bloodstream. For this recipe, you'll need about 2 ounces of fresh ginger that's roughly the size of your thumb. Here's the professional way to prepare it. First, rinse it under cold water. Slice it paper thin, but ginger alone isn't enough. It needs a partner that can amplify its effects tenfold, and that partner might surprise you. The metabolism activator, lemon. Now, everyone knows lemons are healthy. But what 99% of people throw away is actually the most powerful part, the peel. Those bright yellow oils in the lemon peel contain something called D-limonene. Here's how to harvest this liquid gold. Choose an organic lemon. This is non-negotiable since we're using the peel. You'll need about 2 teaspoons of zest. Now, cut that same lemon in half and squeeze out 3 tablespoons of juice. Strain out any seeds. Speaking of which, the next ingredient is where the magic really happens. The energy stabilizer. Raw honey. Forget everything you think you know about honey. The honey bear in your cupboard, that's been heated, filtered, and stripped of its power. What you need is raw, unprocessed honey, the kind that still contains living enzymes. Plus, raw honey contains compounds that support healthy testosterone levels in men, something pharmaceutical companies don't want you to know. Use a wooden spoon to mash them together. This creates what I call a bioactive paste. The essential oils from the lemon and ginger bind with the honey, making them easier for your body to absorb. These enzymes do something remarkable. They help your body produce steady energy without the crash. You'll need 3 tablespoons, but here's the trick, don't just dump it in. Add it to your ginger and lemon zest first. Mix until you have a golden, fragrant paste. This alone could be medicine, but we're going deeper. The next ingredient is where traditional wisdom meets modern science. The mineral powerhouse. This is where most people say, raisins, really? Watch as it melts into the amber liquid, creating a golden elixir. Stir clockwise. This might sound strange, but traditional healers believe it adds positive energy to your creation, signaling your body that something good is coming. But stay with me, because this is the secret that transforms a good recipe into a life-changing one. During this time, something remarkable happens. The compounds from each ingredient begin to synergize, creating new beneficial molecules that don't exist in the individual ingredients. Let it cool to about 140 degrees, hot enough to feel warming, but not so hot it burns. This temperature activates your digestive enzymes without destroying the beneficial compounds. You see the water turn a beautiful amber color that has minerals and natural sugars, creating what I call liquid vitality, the absolute best time. First thing in the morning, 20 minutes before breakfast. Your empty stomach allows for maximum absorption, and it sets your metabolism for the entire day. This gives your body time to fully absorb the nutrients without interference from other foods. Raisins aren't just dried grapes, no more afternoon crash. You'll wonder how you ever functioned without it. Joint pain decreases, digestion improves. You feel like yourself again, maybe even better. You'll feel a gentle, sustained vitality throughout the day. Miss a day, and you're back to square one. This isn't a quick fix, it's a daily practice that compounds over time. What you're left with is a mineral-rich base that's about to become the foundation of your daily transformation. They're concentrated packages of iron, potassium, and boron, a mineral that research shows can naturally support hormone production in older men. Here's the exact process: better sleep, improved mood. And yes, many men report renewed interest in intimacy. Add them to 2 cups of filtered water in a pot. Here's the critical part: bring it to a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil. Let each sip coat your mouth before swallowing. This activates digestive enzymes that begin the absorption process immediately. High heat destroys the delicate compounds we're trying to extract. Take 4 ounces of organic raisins, about a handful. Simmer for exactly 7 minutes. Strain out the raisins, save them for a healthy snack later. The master blend. This is where everything comes together. Pour your warm raisin water back into the pot. Keep the heat low, just enough to see gentle steam. Now add your ginger lemon honey paste. Let it steep for exactly 10 minutes, no more, no less. The aroma filling your kitchen right now, that's not just a pleasant smell. Those volatile compounds are already beginning to work. The right way to drink it. Here's where 90% of people sabotage their results: they drink it wrong. First rule: temperature matters. Second rule: timing is everything. Here's how to drink it properly. Pour 8 ounces into your favorite mug. Before you sip, inhale deeply. Let those aromatics prepare your system, then take small sips, don't gulp. Finish the entire cup within 10 minutes. Then wait at least 20 minutes before eating. What to expect? The timeline. Let me be crystal clear about what's going to happen when you start this routine. Day 1 to 3, you'll notice better mental clarity, especially in the morning. That brain fog, it starts lifting. Week 1, energy levels stabilize. Week 2, this is when the magic happens. Week 4, this is when it becomes a lifestyle. But here's what nobody tells you: consistency is non-negotiable. Advanced modifications. Once you've mastered the basic recipe, you can customize it for your specific needs. For joint support, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. The pepper increases turmeric absorption by 2000%. For heart health, include a cinnamon stick during the simmering process. Ceylon cinnamon specifically helps regulate blood pressure. For extra energy, add a slice of fresh cayenne pepper. Start small, this adds serious kick. For prostate health, include a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds in the straining basket. Their zinc content supports male health. Remember, only add 1 modification at a time. Give your body 2 weeks to adjust before trying another. Common mistakes to avoid. Let me save you from the mistakes I see every day. Mistake number 1: using powdered ginger. Fresh or nothing, the oils in fresh ginger are irreplaceable. Mistake number 2: boiling instead of simmering. High heat destroys the delicate compounds we're trying to preserve. This tonic is best fresh, make it daily for maximum potency. The honey and raisins provide perfect sweetness. Adding more disrupts the balance, your body needs time to respond. Commit to 30 days before judging results. Mistake number 3. Adding sweeteners. Mistake number 4. Making big batches. Mistake number 5. Giving up too soon. You now have something 99% of people will never know: a simple, natural way to reclaim your vitality. But knowledge without action is worthless. Here's what I want you to do right now. 1. Screenshot or write down this recipe. 2. Comment below with "I'm starting tomorrow" to commit publicly. 3. Subscribe and hit the bell. I'll be sharing more life-changing recipes tomorrow. Remember, every day you wait is another day of feeling less than your best. Your energy, your clarity, your zest for life, it's all waiting for you in this simple morning ritual. I'm Dr. William Harris, and I believe your best years aren't behind you, they're beginning right now, with this very decision. Will you join the thousands who've already transformed their mornings and their lives? The choice is yours. Stay strong, stay natural, and I'll see you in the next video. You know that feeling when you discover something wonderful? Something so simple, yet so powerful, you can't wait to tell someone about it. That's what Senior Health Tactics is all about. Real people, real science, real results, no miracles, no magic pills, just small daily choices that add up to something beautiful. If today's video resonated with you, we'd love to have you join our community. Subscribe, and let's discover together how good these years can truly be. And if someone came to mind while watching, someone who might enjoy this journey too, feel free to share. After all, the best adventures are the ones we take together. Thank you for spending this time with us. Here's to writing a beautiful next chapter, one healthy choice at a time.